Hello guys, today in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use Chroma key in Kinemaster. But before I start, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, give like and leave the comment on my video. In here I will provide my video in Kinemaster. And now I will use Chroma key and input the media to my video, okay? So the way is you just click layer in here. After that, input media, click in here. And now in this example, I will choose this chroma key. As you can see, you have done add chroma key media to your video. So for now, I will use chroma key in this media. Scroll down, and as you can see, you select chroma key in here and enable this setting. You can setting this media like you want. So I think that is the way how you can use chroma key in Kinemaster. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like and leave the comment on this video. Thank you.